Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your go-to destination for weight loss, health and wellness tips. Today, we're tackling one of the most common fitness goals, burning belly fat. Are you ready to learn how to torch that stubborn belly fat and reveal your toned abs? We know you want to, so you're in the right place. We've gathered insights from top experts to bring you 5 expert tips for burning belly fat extremely fast. So, come on and join us as we get ready to transform your body and boost your confidence with these powerful strategies. Prepare to become empowered. Stay with us until the end of the video for an extra special tip that can put your weight loss into turbo mode. Let's go. Initiating, and before we get into our fat-burning tips, let's first understand, what is belly fat? Before we jump into the expert tips, we need to first understand what belly fat is and why it's so difficult to lose it. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, accumulates inside most of the abdominal organs and also around them, and is associated with various health risks, including heart disease, neurological illness, insulin resistance, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin, visceral fat is more inflammatory, metabolically active and harder to lose. But fear not, with the right approach, you can banish this stubborn belly fat for good. Amazing news, right? Now that we have the basic understanding of what belly fat is, and some of the consequences of having this type of fat, let's jump right into our tips to start burning this stubborn fat like a furnace. Tip number 1. Prioritize high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, and use it as a tool to burn belly fat. When it comes to burning the stubborn belly fat, high-intensity interval training is your secret weapon. This form of exercise involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and brief periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. High-intensity interval training has been shown to be incredibly effective at burning calories, boosting metabolism, and targeting stubborn belly fat. Incorporate high-intensity interval training workouts into your routine 2 to 3 times per week for maximum fat-burning results. You can apply high-intensity interval training by calculating your intervals. For example, you can do 1 minute of intense physical activity, to the 90% of your total capability, followed by 1 or 2 minutes of rest or low-intensity exercise. Tip number 2. Focus on strength training, to grow your muscles and your chances of burning fat. While cardio is essential for burning calories, don't overlook the power of strength training for sculpting a lean and toned body. Building muscle not only increases your metabolism but also helps to define and shape your midsection. Also, it has been shown in several scientific studies that muscle, when stimulated, can produce hormones called exokines, which, in summary, help you to burn fat. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups into your workouts to engage multiple muscle groups and maximize your fat burning. Take to mind that once you get to your desired weight goal and with a good amount of muscle mass, it is easier to maintain your goal weight and keep yourself healthy. If you'll get to grow a considerable amount of muscle mass, in a natural way obviously, you could even have some not-so-healthy treats once in a while, with little to no repercussion. Amazing, isn't it? Tip number 3. Clean up your diet. This represents the 80% of your success at burning belly fat. You've heard it before, but it bears repeating. You can't out-train a bad diet. To burn belly fat fast, focus on eating a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Incorporate plenty of high-quality lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals while focusing in avoiding processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates. Aim to create a sustainable healthy food plan by eating mindfully and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Also, control your macro intake. You have to limit starchy carbohydrates since they can produce more of a glucose spike and totally block fat burning for a longer period of time. Tip number 4. Stay well hydrated. Hydration is key to supporting your body's natural fat-burning processes. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins, regulate metabolism, and prevent dehydration, all of which are essential for burning belly fat. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and consider adding hydrating foods like cucumbers and citrus fruits to your diet. Remember that electrolyte powders are massively important to maintaining your body hydrated, so if you have a dry mouth feeling, use them, but look for the ones that are sugar-free. Tip number 5. Get plenty of quality sleep. Believe it or not, sleep plays a significant role in weight management and belly fat loss. Inadequate sleep disrupts hormone levels, increases appetite, and impairs metabolism, making it harder to lose weight, especially around the midsection. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep per night, to support optimal fat burning, hormonal balance, sustained performance and overall health. Studies show that if you sleep less than 7 hours per night, you are at a higher risk of overweight, obesity as well as at a higher risk of insulin resistance, prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, brain and heart events. This is because low-quality sleep or sleep deprivation produces high cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone, and also worsens insulin resistance. And now, as we promised, the extra tip for today's video. With this extra special tip you will get your fat loss into turbo mode. And this amazing tip is to apply fasting into your plan. Fasting is a great tool when it comes to losing belly fat. You can do it 2 to 3 times per week to boost your belly fat burning. Remember, it's very important to control your protein and fiber intake when it comes to intermittent fasting and prolonged fasting. Do not decrease your calories. Your focus need to be in eating all the calories you have to eat for the day, in a shorter period of time, that is it. And if possible, it is recommended to increase your protein intake for the day. Try at least 2 grams of protein per kilogram of lean body mass. This tip will boost your fat loss and protect you from muscle breakdown. In conclusion, there you have it, friends. If you are looking for some tips on losing that stubborn belly fat, there you have it, friends. A total of 6 expert tips for burning belly fat extremely fast. By incorporating high-intensity interval training, strength training, a balanced diet, hydration, very good quality sleep and fasting into your lifestyle, plus high protein intake and fasting, you can accelerate your fat loss journey and achieve your fitness goals faster than ever before. Remember, consistency is key, so stay committed to your health and wellness journey, and you'll soon see the results that you so much desire. Thank you for tuning into today's Levitas video. If you found these tips helpful and inspiring, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Levitas channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest content on weight loss, health and well-being. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with burning belly fat. We love hearing from you. Your support helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Until next time, keep that stubborn belly fat away, stay healthy, stay happy and keep going. Strive for your best self.